Day, allow me to propose a fasting that we can do. The fasting of the mouth. The fathers of the church constantly reminded the people in the early church that one form of fasting is the fasting of the mouth. Hindi sa pagkain, kundi sa pagsasalita. Magandang fasting din po yan. Sasabihin natin, this season of Lent, hindi ako magmumura. O kaya this season of Lent, hindi ako mamimintas ng kapwa. O kaya this season of Lent, hindi ako makikipagchismisan. Siguro sasabihin ng iba, Father, pwede bang wala na lang dessert? Wala na lang soft drinks? Mas mahirap yung fasting of the mouth na yan.